The LSU AgCenter has announced their Louisiana Super Plant selection for the summer of 2022, and because there are so many wonderful ones, we couldn't select just one. We're calling it the Summer of Salvias, and salvias are just excellent, beautiful flowering plants. Now, there are both annual and perennial salvias, and some of the ones that the LSU AgCenter is recommending this year are the perennials, so they'll come back year after year. Now, these beautiful flowers are wonderful for our pollinators. The bees, butterflies, and especially hummingbirds, for you hummingbird people, they love them. Those tubular shaped flowers and the nectar that these plants produce is just wonderful. Now, we have some selections that the AgCenter has recommended, those that have been trialed at the Hammond Research Station. We have the Roman red, so you've got that red color. We've got that white flame, so we have some white, and it's called flame because it's very heat tolerant. We also have the skyscraper orange that looks a little bit more red, so you have that red color again, and then we're gonna close this with our rockin' blue suede shoes. So that blue color, if you're looking for red, white, and blue for the 4th of July, plant some of these. Your hummingbirds will love them. You'll have a beautiful display in your lawn. And again, the perennials will come back year after year. Plant them in full sun and well-drained soils. No need to fuss over them. You can deadhead them to promote more flowers. But these are just great, excellent landscape flowering plants. Put them to the middle or back of your bed because they get about 2 to 4 feet in height. And remember, our pollinators just love them. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.